How to know the area quickly. Malapit na, just wait. See another sample for you. Let's try first the usual AA command. Type AA and enter, then select the perimeter of the room or space. I fast forward ko para madali. The area of the base is 19 square meters. You must copy or memorize it, tapos I type mo or I paste sa text icon. Medyo mabagal lang siya. There's a faster way to know the area of each space and the whole space. Type MJ command and enter. You can choose color for the text. For this sample, I chose green. Wala lang, gusto ko lang tong kulay, hehe. Select each space. If you've done selecting all the room spaces on the floor plan, click Enter. Then another click outside of the plan to compute the total area of each space. Minsan, kailangan natin ayusin yung mga bagay na di nakaayon sa atin. You must fix the alignment of the text in a proper proportion.
Now it's done.